Today I would like to talk about school leadership. It's a vital topic for our future. Let's explore it together.
School leadership means guiding others and creating a positive learning environment. It's about inspiring and supporting every student to succeed.
A good school leader is honest and responsible. A good school leader is honest and responsible.
Yes, honesty is very important.
And we must be responsible. Exactly. Well done. A leader always respects teachers and follows school rules. That's right. Show your respect now.
Yes, sir.
Good. Keep it up. Leadership helps maintain discipline in school. See how your classmates are focused? That's discipline. Good. Keep that focus. A good leader promotes unity and teamwork among students.
Yes, sir. Working together.
Excellent. Keep collaborating.
We will.
A leader listens to others and respects different opinions.
Yes, and we could add more color here.
Exactly. That's teamwork. Leadership also means helping others solve problems.
So we help each other.
Exactly. That's how you all grow. Good leaders motivate their classmates to do better. Leadership creates a positive and friendly school environment. Every student can become a good leader through honesty and hard work.
I believe in being honest and working hard every day.
A true leader inspires others and brings positive change. Please subscribe to my channel, Let Us Learn with Waqar, for more educational videos.